let's talk about my coleus. Look how great these guys have done overwintering. I can't wait until it's warm enough to put them outside, but no complaints because they are doing very, very well. Let me show you how the others are looking. These are the other coleus that I overwintered. This guy here is doing really good. He's a little wispy looking, but he's very full, so I'm very pleased with that. This guy is doing well too. I have two little cuttings here, actually three. Look, that one's coming back over there too. That will have to be up, put into a larger pot, obviously. This guy's showing a lot of color. Yeah, and this one's starting to come back. All of these had a cutting about 2 months ago, which is why they're looking a little bit weak. This one here is the same that I just potted, and look how much darker those leaves are. Isn't it gorgeous? And I've got another one here and one of these. This one here is the same as that one. And you just watched me repot that one. So for the most part, my coleuses have been doing really well overwintering again. I have had one die on me, but I'm okay with taking, one loss compared to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13 and 14 in the living room. Oh, so exciting, guys. So exciting. This was so fun to be able to come out here and repot. It's February, and we've had really warm weather down here in Nashville, so I thought it's a great time to give this one a larger pot. I had found this at the dollar store, though it's not really a dollar store. This was $5, but I have no complaints. Anyway, happy day in February. Happy to be gardening again.